All right, making a really quick install video on what I think should be the first, mod to every car. I had these on my Hellcat too. These are jacking pads / jack pucks. Take about 2 minutes to install in the car all around. They're about 40 bucks on Amazon, come in that box. I'll put a sticker right here showing which ones I got. And there's other sites selling these for about $100. It's the same thing, but the whole point of these is to protect your side skirts, protect the frame from getting metal on metal contact, and pretty much preventing accidents. If you ever have a tech work on your car, they know how to place the lift arms and prevent something like this from happening. So like I said, it takes about 2 minutes to install. I'll show you guys one side really quick and we'll go from there. So all you do is place it in, turn it 90 degrees, and tighten it down. Here, turn it 90, and just tighten these down with the Allen key, and you can use blue Loctite if you want. That's about it. Same thing on the other side. Like I said, it takes about 2 minutes to put all of them on. Super worth it. I'm gonna end up using them really soon to change my wheels. So hopefully this helps somebody out. If you guys have any other questions, put them in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.